Hello there everyone. In this video we are going to go through a pretty simple program, but the principles in here are very useful in a lot of different types of programs. So let me go ahead and just run this and show you guys what we're looking at here. So we have boxes and stacks. An employee at a grocery store or something could enter the total number of boxes they have, and then how many boxes they can safely put in each stack. And then we will say how many stacks there are. Okay, and we don't want a decimal or anything like that. We want just an even, integer value of how many stacks we're going to have. So let's go ahead and write this. We have a total boxes ID, an in each stack ID, a number of stacks function. Let's go ahead and create that right now. And we have that output div down there as well. So number of stacks in here. So there's a couple of different ways that we could go about this. What I'm thinking is let's go ahead and grab our values. So we'll say let total boxes. I'll make this nice and big. And then let in each stack. Those were our IDs. We'll say equals document dot get element by ID paste dot value. All right, and then this whole thing we need to parse. It'll probably be an int this time, right? We're not going to have like 5.5 boxes. We're just going to have boxes. And then we'll say the same thing here. Parse int document dot get element by ID in each stack, dot value. We'll go ahead and parse that. Okay, so we have our inputs there. Now let's go ahead and make a new variable called in or number of stacks. And then here we could just say total boxes divided by in each stack, but that would give us a decimal, right? If I have 3 boxes and 2 stacks, we'd have a nice decimal there, and we don't want that. So if I say math.ceil, okay, this will basically force it to round up. So right now we're not saying how many are in each stack, we're just saying how many stacks we're gonna have. And then finally we'll have our output here in our output div dot inner HTML equals number of stacks. And let's save that and let's see what happens when we run this. All right, so I'm gonna say we have 21 boxes and we can fit 5 in each stack, and you can see we'll have a total of 5 stacks. Okay.